everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will talk about a budget backup phone, the global version of Xiaomi Qing 2, which is suitable for students, age, and businessmen. Now let's get started with a review. First, I want to show you the package comes with the phone itself, then a pin for installing SIM card, and the Type-C charging cable, phone case, and the user manual. The highlight of Qing 2 global version support all frequency bands and over 150 languages. No matter where you are, you can use Qing 2 without any constraints. The global version of Xiaomi Qing 2 runs on Android 9.0 system, 1GB RAM, 32GB internal memory, 2100 mAh battery by standby 10 days. And I also think the nice feature is it equipped with Type-C charging port and 4.2 Bluetooth connection. So all these features only goes for $130. So I would recommend this phone to be your first choice for business backup phone. Xiaomi Qing 2 looks like it has the compact design, and its use of the plastic body reduces its weight to 105 grams, which is very light. The reverse side of Xiaomi Qing 2 is made of plastic. The SIM card slot is on the left side. On the right side of the device, there are volume button and combine button. One is for power on or off, and another to call voice assistant. The real model with a 5-megapixel sensor, but there's no front camera, so it's impossible to make a video call. At the top, the Xiaomi Qing 2 still supports infrared emission. Compared to the first generation of Xiaomi Qing phone, the Xiaomi Qing 2 removes physical keys and offers a 5.05-inch full screen. The elongated display would be an advantage for people to hold the phone comfortably. Qing 2 is really slim and easy to handle with my small palms. 5.5-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1550x576 pixels and an aspect ratio of 22.5:9. However, due to its unique ratio design, videos or pictures for the 60:9 ratio cannot view on full screen. Even after zooming, you will find that the video is cut off. Yes, that is very negative. As you can see, the interface of Qing 2 is as same as a normal smartphone. Slide down to check phone status here. You can see, of course, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, smart saving mode, and you could use it as a hotspot. And slide up to check app management. You can see the built-in application, which include a phone call, message, voice recorder, camera, music player, and browser. In addition, of course, the global version of Qing 2 supports Play Store and Google Series app. Equipped with 32GB memory, allow you downloading more apps. I would say Qing 2 is totally meet the daily demand, but it is not recommended to download games. After all, it's just a backup phone. I would like to say it has good touch sensitive, smoothly sliding the interface without any stutter. Well, this is all for today's video. If you still have questions, please leave in the comment or click the link in the description below to check more information about Xiaomi Qing 2. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.